Hi, welcome to the Handy Guys, and tonight we're going to talk about Brian's new Caséta Wireless system from Lutron that he's put in his entire basement.
That's right. I got these smart switches, they're called, because I wanted to be able to control all of my basement lights from the top of the stairs, essentially, and to be able to do some home automation with them, set scenes for watching movies, things like that.
So you were able to kind of change the dynamics of your basement. You were able to control the lights from the top of the steps, add scenes,
That's right.
add additional switches that do different things.
And everything's on dimmers, too.
Oh, everything's on dimmers. And you didn't have to do any rewiring.
That's right.
You didn't have to, all you did is replace your traditional switches, toggle switches.
That's
like
right.
We've all had for 100 years.
That's right.
With these fancy Caséta switches.
Right, so these are dimmers, right? And they're dimmers, but they also have remotes. And the remote, and we'll show you that in a little bit later in the video, can be installed in the wall plate to control the dimmer from another location.
Right, so we're going to have a series of videos about this system. And what's interesting is, the switches are all different.
Yeah.
Like you said, you can add them to locations where you don't even have an electrical box.
That's right.
You can add them to the wall, you can add them onto the tabletop. It's really
That's
interesting.
Right.
They're battery, some of them are just powered by battery.
Right, these little Pico remotes, they call them, are powered by batteries.
That last for 10 years or so.
That's what they say.
Yeah, and they all are supported with a hub that connects to your network.
That's right.
You have a smart app that you can use,
App.
You can use
Google Home or Alexa.
Your personal assistant is the
That's right, the voice
generic
assistants, yes.
Right, so Google Home or Alexa. So we're going to talk about these switches and go through kind of what Brian's thought process was, why he put in this system, how it works, and we'll review it with several different videos. We'll show you the hub, we'll show you the smart app, we'll show you the integration with the personal assistants. So that's coming up, so stay tuned to the Handy Guys channel here on YouTube.
All right, thanks for watching.
Thanks.